Daqua Ritter shot and killed a black transgender woman named Dime Doe.
That shooting happened in Allendale County back in 2019. Our Nick Neville is live outside of the courthouse where he has been following that trial.
And Nick, I understand Ritter's girlfriend said that he was acting strange after the murder. What else did she have to say today?
Right, Greg and Judy. So testimony from the girlfriend elicited that she tried to call Ritter several times on the evening of the murder, blowing his phone up. When she finally was able to reach him, she says that he denied being involved with this killing, but was acting strange and was not even looking her in the eye. Now, this girlfriend, Daqua Green, was appearing today under subpoena. She was actually arrested for failing to comply with that subpoena. The state has argued that Ritter killed Dime to silence her because he didn't want people to find out that he was romantically involved with Dime. The government establishing that Daqua Green confronted her then boyfriend twice about Dime. Once after she went through his phone and found text messages about, quote, getting a room with someone. And again, after she asked about his dealings with the victim, Green said that she had just found out that Dime was transgender. And when she asked why Ritter was hanging around with her, Green testified that Ritter got angry and said, "Don't question my sexuality." She said, however, that prior to the killing, their relationship was perfect. Now, this afternoon, we also heard testimony from one of the associates of Ritter who he was with the day of the murder. He testified that he saw Ritter at a burn barrel that was in the neighborhood trying to dump something into that burn barrel, which he thought was the clothes that he was wearing earlier that day. He also says the following day, Ritter came up to him and asked him to discard something which he believed to be a handgun. The defense on cross-examination tried to poke holes in this story and say that it wasn't credible that someone who he barely knew and wasn't his friend would be asking him such a thing. Testimony will resume tomorrow morning at 8:30. We'll have live updates once again, but for now, reporting in Columbia, Nick Neville, WIS News 10.
Nick, thanks. And without a jury present, Ritter's defense attorneys spoke about their plan to argue that there's evidence of a third-party guilt in this case, meaning someone else may have committed that crime.